What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on my 73 Volkswagen Beetle standard. We're going to be doing the rear shocks. I can't upload the front shocks video because I'm having troubles with my GoPro cam right here. It's just giving me a bunch of problems. So I'm going to try to do this with my phone and try to do some little editing and kind of make it fancy if I can. But let's go check it out.
It is a cloudy day out in sunny Las Vegas. Also deathly hot.
You have to drink right here in order to survive. You have to drink one of these a day so you don't pass out and die. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to jack up the back, get the wheels off and stuff like that, and we're going to take a look underneath. Alright, so I jacked up the car and took off the wheels. Now if you're going to look at the wheel, like going at the car, you would go underneath here. And there's going to be a nut right there on this side, and then another one on the opposite side right here. This is the old shock. You're supposed to be able to press this down and come back up, but you can see on the side that it actually has some really bad leaking. I've got these new ones right here. You look, press this and it shoots right back up. Oh no, I got it on my finger. Now it's going into my bloodstream. Now I'm gonna die. Chemicals.